Today I came out with degrees of comparison, the particular topic that speaks about comparison of adjectives of nouns. See here, we compare the quality of one noun with the other. Quality indicates adjective. See, there are 3 degrees of comparison. One is positive degree and the other one is comparative degree and the third one is superlative degree. See here, positive degree. Positive in the sense it speaks of only adjective, that means mere adjective. See, it doesn't have any comparison with any other noun. It speaks of quality of a noun. See, and second one, comparative degree. This comparison of 2 nouns is spoken in this particular sentence. See, it compares the quality of one noun with the other. See, mostly whether it is smaller or bigger, okay, whatever it may be, it compares 2 things, 2 nouns, okay, and the third one is superlative degree. See, in this one, comparison of more than 2 nouns is indicated. See, some examples are given here, positive to superlative. See, positive degree, one example, long, it becomes longer in comparative and longest in superlative. And here, beautiful in positive degree, it becomes more beautiful in comparative degree and most beautiful in superlative degree. See, of course, you may have some doubt here. Long, say by adding er and est, comparative and superlative forms are formed. But whereas beautiful, why can't we use er and est for beautiful? See, there is some difference here. First one we shall see. Long, how many vowel sounds are there? Based on the vowel sounds in the word, we just add er or est, or we just keep more or most before that particular adjective. See, for one, that means monosyllabic word. Syllable means vowel sound. Monosyllabic word, we just add er or est, and but polysyllabic word or disyllabic or trisyllabic, whatever it may be, other than monosyllabic word, we just add more and most before that particular adjective. Syllable in the sense, nothing but vowel sound. Vowel sound in the sense in Telugu or Hindi, whatever it may be. First one's A to Amha. Okay. See, for example, this one you see long, la, only A is there. Okay. La. But here beautiful, beautiful. See, trisyllabic word it is. Monosyllabic word, one syllable, tri means 3 syllables. See, when there is more than 1 syllable in a particular adjective, when it has to be changed into comparative and superlative, more or most should be added. When the adjective is only monosyllabic word, then er or est should be added to change it into comparative and superlative. Hello, now we shall go with interchange of degrees of comparison. How to change from one degree to other? That means from superlative to comparative, comparative to positive, positive to comparative, positive to superlative. Like this, we can change this degree. Of course, even though we change the structure of the sentences, the meaning remains same. See here, there are 4 models in interchange of degrees of comparison. First one, first model, model 1, we shall change a scene of. See, first we shall take one sentence that is related to superlative degree. Superlative degree means highest degree, ultimate degree. See here, Suman is the tallest boy in the class. Tallest boy in the class in the sense there is no other boy who is as tall as Suman. Okay? See, that means Suman is the tallest boy here. See, highest degree, tallest is shown here. Right? See, now we shall see that structure of this superlative degree in model 1. Subject plus V. V means nothing but verb. Of course, is verb here, right? Plus definite, DA in the sense definite article, that is nothing but the. Okay. Then adjective. We know very well in the first thing itself I told that always the degrees are shown in adjective forms only. See, this is the highest degree, that is third form of degree. That's why here adjective is added with est or most. See here, I just would like to tell you one thing, that when the adjective is is monosyllabic word, then we have to use est here in comparative degree er. Whereas if the adjective is poly or di or trisyllabic word, then we have to use most before the adjective. But here we used after the adjective because tall in this particular adjective we find only one vowel sound. Vowels in the sense are to amaha, right? See here how many vowels are there. Just once you observe in Telugu or Hindi, like see tal, only a we find here, only a we find. That means it is monosyllabic word, one syllable is there. That's why we use tal. Okay, that's why we added est here in this superlative degree, whereas in comparative degree we added er, right? See, if there are more than one syllable instance, one vowel in the adjective, then we have to add most in superlative degree before that adjective, in more in comparative degree before the adjective. Okay, see now again here we say once. SN means a singular noun. Singular noun, only one noun is given here, and of course there is phrase here. This is the structure of superlative degree. And there is comparative degree. Same, see, Suman is, see, we do not use any definite article here. Just directly we go with the adjective, that is taller than. Than is must none. It is very, very important aspect in this particular comparison. Whenever we use this comparative degree, than is must, than something else. That's why we use this than. Okay, any other. Why did we use any other? Because there is no other one who is taller than Suman in the class. That's why any other we used in a comparative degree. Any other boy. Here also singular noun only. And of course phrase is there. In the same way positive degree. When we observe positive degree, it starts with no other boy. Of course noun is a singular noun only. Here also in three areas. In model 1, superlative degree, comparative degree and positive degree, we use only singular noun. Whereas there is some change in the structure. See, no other. That means there is no other boy who is as tall as Suman. Suman anta height unnavakti avaru leru ani ardham ikkada. So no other. We start this one with no other plus singular noun plus verb, of course, as tall as. Here we can also use so also. No problem. As or so. So tall. Okay, anything can be used here. As plus subject, adjective plus as and plus subject. See, in positive degree, we do not find subject first in this case. Okay, in this first model 1. Okay, subject and subject comes last plus, of course, phrase. This is the model 1 in interchange of degrees of comparison. One thing we need to observe in this model 1, that is nothing but the highest. It shows about the highest thing. Okay, and in 3 degrees we find only singular nouns. Okay, adding of est, er, more or most, all these things we need to consider. Okay, in this particular model 1. Now we shall see model 2. See, in this one, in first one we used only Suman is the tallest boy. That means ultimate. But here Suman is not ultimate here. Once you read this sentence, Suman, superlative degree, Suman is one of the tallest boys in the class. That means he is not the ultimate, but there are some, very few boys are there who are as tall as Suman, and they are the tallest people, tallest boys. So that speaks about this particular sentence. Suman is one of the tallest boys. See, he is one among the tallest boys in the class. That's what this sentence says. See here, the subject plus be, that means verb plus one of the. You have to highlight this one of the, plus adjective with most are est and plural noun. Whenever we find one of the, it is very clear that noun should be plural. That means among all these boys, one That is the meaning of this one. So see, one of the plus adjective with most are est plus plural noun plus phrase. This is superlative degree of second model. And third one, CD. That means second one, comparative degree. See, Suman is taller than many other boys in the class. See, of course, it is also clear that Suman subject is given and verb. Next, adjective with er or more, and than is must. I told you in first model also that whenever we speak of comparative degree, than is must. Than indicates, see, someone is more than or, superior than or, inferior than. See, it speaks about these things. That's why than is used in comparative degree. And here, the highlighted one is many other. See, many other boys in the class. Suman is taller than. See, many other boys are not that much tall as Suman. That is the meaning of this one. But there are some children who are as tall as Suman. See, that this indicates, this superlative, even though it is given in superlative degree, it indicates that, see, Suman is one of the tallest boys in the class. Means, see, here, there are some boys who are equally tall as Suman. Okay, see, next, the third one, PD, that means the positive degree. Very few is the highlighted one here. Very few boys are at least as tall as Suman in the class. See, these three sentences, meaning of these three sentences is same, but whereas, see, the structures are different. Here, superlative degree is used, here, comparative degree is used, and here, positive degree is used. See, highlighted points here are one of the is a superlative degree highlighted point in a model 2, and second one highlighted one comparative degree many other, and third one PD, that means positive degree very few here are the highlighted words. But one more important thing you have to observe here is boys, and here also boys. That means all the nouns are plural only. Whereas in first model, all the nouns are singular, right? Now we shall go with third model, that is negative degree. We call it as negative degree because it starts with negative sentence only. In superlative degree sentence, if you observe, Suman is not the tallest boy in the class. That means Suman is not the tallest. Some other boys are there who are equally tall as Suman. That is the meaning of this sentence, particular sentence, not we see here. See, the structure of the superlative degree sentence in model 3 is subject plus verb plus not plus definite article. Definite article is the, right? Plus adjective with est or most, and boy, that is singular noun and phrase. And next we shall go with comparative degree. Comparative degree, just once you observe this sentence, Suman is taller than some other boys in the class. That means some other boys are at least as tall as Suman. Okay, that is the meaning of this particular sentence. So here some other is very important point you have to keep in mind. Okay, boys, this is a plural noun. See, just observe in superlative degree in third model we see only singular noun, but whereas in comparative degree we see plural noun. Of course, after some other, many other, all these things we use plural nouns. It is very common, right? So the structure of comparative degree here is subject plus verb plus adjective with er or more plus than. Than is very important. I told you whenever we use superlative comparative degree, than is very important. We have to use it plus some other, some other is important. Some other plus plural noun plus phrase. This is the structure of comparative degree. Whereas when we go to positive degree, we start this degree with some other boys, of course plural noun, and are verb plus at least plus as, tall as plus adjective plus as plus subject plus phrase. This is about model 3, right? Okay, now model 4. See, in this one we find only 2 degrees, comparative degree and positive degree. Of course, there are 2 types in this one also. One is positive one and one is negative one. See, in this positive one, once we shall see comparative degree sentence. That is, for example, Suman is taller than Mahesh. That means Mahesh is not as tall as Suman. That means he is shorter than Suman. Okay, so that indicates that those two are not equal. See here, subject is Suman and verb adjective with er or more plus than. Of course, it is also subject only, but we are not speaking about. First, we are speaking about subject. That's why Suman. That's why we just write it as noun. Okay, now it is a PD. PD means positive degree. When we change this comparative degree to positive, it starts with Mahesh, right? Mahesh is not as tall as Suman. That means Mahesh is short compared to Suman. That is the meaning of this one. That means these two are not equal. One is somewhat taller than other one. Okay, otherwise one is somewhat shorter than other one. So here subject plus V plus verb means verb plus not plus as plus adjective plus as plus noun. Okay, now it is about the first one, A part of model 4, and now B part of model 4. Here comparative degree. See, once you observe this particular sentence, Dharani is not more beautiful than Mahi. That means Mahi and Dharani both are equally beautiful. That is the meaning of it. Not that Mahi is more beautiful than Dharani. But here Dharani is not more beautiful than Mahi means both are equally beautiful. That is it indicates is equal. That means is equal means equal to both. Okay, right. See here, once you check this positive also, Mahi is at least as beautiful as Dharani. See here the structures, both the structures once you observe, subject plus be plus not plus adjective with er or more plus than plus noun. In the same way here also, subject plus be plus, see at least, okay, at least as plus adjective plus as plus noun. This is how we need to write this model.